Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae and dancehall artists, Coffee, Buja Banton, Governor and producer Russian are a part of the star-studded lineup for FIFA 21 soundtrack. The latest soundtrack premiered yesterday and includes an exciting mix of new music and some added Jamaican flavor. Two separate soundtracks were curated for FIFA 21, one for the game overall and one specifically for its new Volta mode. The main soundtrack for FIFA 21 includes Buja Banton's track Unity from his latest album Upside Down 2020, while the separate compilation for Volta features Kali and is available on all streaming platforms, while FIFA 21 will be released on Now, pop singer Taylor Swift has dethroned Whitney Houston for the most weeks at #1 by a woman on the Billboard 200 albums chart. The latest project, Folklore, returns to the top spot on the Billboard 200, collecting a seventh non-consecutive week on top. Swift's total weeks at #1 now stands at 47, one more than Houston's 46. The all-time leaders with the most #1s are the Beatles with 132 weeks, while the sole male act with the most weeks at #1 is Elvis Presley with 67. That's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.